In this video, I'll guide you through how to create a Likert scale question in Microsoft Forms. This type of question is perfect when you want people to rate their level of agreement, satisfaction, or frequency across several related statements, all using the same scale. To get started, open the form or survey you want to edit in Microsoft Forms. You can use either an existing form or a new one. If you haven't created a form yet, just create a new form and give it a clear title and description so your respondents know what it's about. Once your form is open and you're on the editing screen, you're ready to add your Likert question. Look for the option that says Add New. This is usually shown as a button on the form editing page. Go ahead and click Add New. Microsoft Forms will show you several different question types you can choose from, like multiple choice, text, and rating. Since we want a Likert scale, you'll need to select the specific Likert option. From the list of question types, click on Likert. This tells Microsoft Forms that you want to create a question with multiple statements down the side and a shared set of scale options across the top. Once you select Likert, a new question area will appear where you can start entering your content. Now it's time to enter the statements for each row. Think of these rows as the individual items you want people to react to using the same scale. For example, if you're creating a feedback form about a training session, your rows might be things like the content was easy to understand, the instructor was engaging, and the pace of the session was appropriate. Click into the first row and type your first statement, then add additional rows for each statement you want to include. Try to keep each statement clear, specific, and written in a similar style so they feel consistent to the person filling out the form. After you've added your rows, you'll define the scale options that run across the top. These are the choices your respondents will see, such as strongly agree, agree, neutral, disagree, and strongly disagree. Click into the first scale option and type your starting point like strongly agree, then fill in the rest of the scale options in the order you want them to appear. Aim for a logical progression from most positive to most negative or vice versa, and make sure the wording is balanced and evenly spaced in meaning. You can adjust how many scale points you want, but typically 5 options work well for most Likert questions. Make sure each label is clear on its own so respondents don't have to guess what you mean. When you're finished entering your rows and your scale, take a moment to review everything. Check that each statement matches well with the scale you've defined and that there are no spelling mistakes or confusing phrases. Once you're happy with how it looks, your Likert scale question is ready to go. You can preview the form to see exactly how the question will appear to your respondents and then share the form as you normally would. That's all it takes to create a Likert scale question in Microsoft Forms.